Right, so here we are. It's quite a windy day. We're not going for like range or like what, which it's like 30 odd kilometers for the wind, and I don't know how this is going to hold out. But before we do that, let me just click on something. Top left. Take off made. So return to home. Altitude is 65 meters. Max altitude 5 meters. Sky. Yeah, it's quite simple shit. Well, top right. So safety, we got normal, 65, turn to home point. Oh jeez, maximum. Yeah, it's pretty good. All the controls. And metrics, standard. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Camera. This one's 60 hertz. No grid things or anything like that. SD card. Yeah, good for that. Transmission. Dual band, of course. Now you can go into this to make it a bit more depth, but if you notice, it's all green here. If it was red, it was bad. But apparently I'm good for flying. But let's just come off that for a moment. Right, so done the top right. Well, bottom right. So a choice of 4K, 2.7 and 1080p. 4K of course, 30 frames. So bottom right. What about bottom left? So bottom left here we've got a map. What can we do with it? So you click on it, takes the whole screen up, it shows you where you are. Google Maps, pretty cool. Can you change it? So yeah, you can change like satellite and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. So don't need that right now. What else can I do with it? I can minimise it. Oh, I can change that as well. That's pretty cool. Right, other than that, there's much more we can do. Send.
Home point updated.
It's actually moving from me. It's very windy, very windy. Right, so let me just check that's the distance, 5.2. I don't know. I know it's right above me. At 28 meters. By the way, it's actually raining. So, what should we do here? So it's really dark. Can we change this? We can, but we don't need. Nice. That's 32 meters, that's plenty. You know what? It's actually really windy. Really windy. And this thing is just staying. See how windy goes like that. So can we do this? So we're at 23 kilometers. Look at that. Just go straight back to it. That's pretty cool, that. So what we're doing for range and stuff. Mate, it's really blowing right now. So the other day, let's go 60 odd. So the other day I was struggling a little bit. Got normal. There we go, we're moving. Struggling a little bit. So it's got spots. There we go. Finally, I'm over here somewhere. Where am I? Where's that torch? Yeah, I'm over there. 131 meters away. And it's really blowing. Really blowing. Let's go. 70 odd. Where can I go? I don't know if it's coming out alright because of the wind, and I'm using my phone as a microphone. Private road. How are we doing? So we've got full. Oh, mate, it's really good. Just impressed. I didn't want to do a range test. This was just to do about wind, but no, let's just go a little bit. So where are we on this? Spinning, but that's not where I am. Right, so I'm over here somewhere. I'm thinking I'll get a torch out for some reason. Yeah, I'm over there. Okay, I'll just put that down. If I'm over there, then he's over here. So that must be either road. That must be a bit of a power. 64. Anything interesting you can see? Right, the other day I made a video where I went over there and I lost power after 300 meters. So I want to see. Strong wind warning. Wind's picked up. I'm going to go a bit lower. To like about 60-ish. Right, so there we go. A bit low. Oh god, yeah, the wind has picked up loads. It's still going. The other day thing it's warning about is strong winds. It's got some reception's low. Reception's getting a little low. Not too bad actually. So, every day. Can I zoom on this? Yeah, 700 meters away. 780 meters away. So if this is the same place we went the other day, which is 300 meters, now it's fine. So it just shows you, as long as you're in clear sight. Just on sports. Yeah, so sports. Slow it down so I can see what's happening. What's that over there? Signal. It's got, right, so it's getting a bit windy, so I'm thinking to turn down. No, just go forwards. No, it is getting proper windy, by the way. So let's start. Go sport mode. Just get it back. So I think, is that my home street? I'll be honest with you, I'm just going, see the bottom left there, I'm going on the blue arrow. I'm just kind of going towards that. So apparently we're 600 meters away. See if we can see a light. I definitely will. So I'm guessing. Change to the other thing so you know where I am. So I am all over Kingsmead. Mate, I'm miles away. I just got far. I didn't realise how far away it was. Mate, I'm literally over here. Mate, it's over there. Low battery. See there? That's what I am. I didn't realise I was miles away. Right, so boys, right, I'm going to use the return to home. I I can click a button here. I can land or return to home. So I'm going to hold this, return to home. Right.
Return to home.
So it's set to, what is it, 65 meters? So, mate, I'm not being funny though, this has been really windy. And this has done awesome. It's like there was no wind. Probably cost a bit of battery power.
Landing.
Whatever. But let's put this gimbal down. Show you where I am. Where? I'm here. And it's still yeah. Yeah, I can't complain. Not being funny, but we've been like 40 kilometre wind, 30 odd, and it's just
Critically low battery warning.
yeah, I know, but doesn't matter. Okay,
Landing.
and it's done. There you go. So before I cut it off, let me just see what wind we're at. So we're at 23 kilometres. Oh, mate. Great drone.